All right, so special thanks to this company for sending us their electronic ear cleaning and irrigation system. Basically, you can use this with water to clean out the inside of your ears. Now, thanks to this company for sending this to me because they wanted me to make an unboxing to show you exactly what you get. So this is the front of the box, and you can see it's sealed in some plastic. That's just the information on the top. Nice little picture of everything on the bottom. Efficient clean, safe wash, hygienic use, 4 pressure levels, LED and magnifier, and a rechargeable battery. Over here has all of the steps. So these are the steps that you would take to follow to use this product to clean out your ears. I can say my wife has used one before and really enjoyed it. Just their company logo on the bottom. So let's open this on up, see what we have here. Oh, look at that presentation, so smooth. So everything is nicely labeled. We have some tips here. So the little tips, they give you a whole handful of those. Let's see, 3, 6, looks like 13. So that's pretty nice. The included USB-C type charger for charging the battery. And then a nice little instruction booklet that will tell you everything that you should need to know about this product. And that's it for the box. So inside of here is everything else. So this is the actual device. Right here on the back is your USB-C port for charging. And when you power it on, you can see if you're on pulse, soft, or normal. Now the magnifier is what's built in here. So you can kind of see how it magnifies the area. That's pretty nice. There's 4 LEDs here, give you a nice bright light. We might actually have, yeah, look at that. There's the lights, and we're on soft, pulse, you know. That's how you just switch through by pressing the mode button. Oh, there you go, there's the noise. So this just goes down into this cup that would hold the water. There's the recommended temp and everything for the water. And so this cup holds the water, and you put on one of those tips here, and it shoots it into your ear to clean out your ear. You're able to do exactly like the photo here and essentially hold this nicely branded cup like so that the water goes down into this cup and has all of your earwax and everything is nice and clean. So there we go. That'll do it for this unboxing of this electric ear cleaning system. Thanks again to this company for sending this product to us. Thank you all for watching, and we'll see you in the next one. Deuces.